I see some familiar faces and some administrators in the audience and some teachers. This is a repeat performance. This, in fact, is the preliminary budget, which is turned into our advertised final budget. So what happens when you present the preliminary budget and then the board approves the preliminary budget? You submit that very same budget to the executive county superintendent, who then reviews that budget. After the executive county superintendent signs off on that budget or recommends that you make changes, changes are made, the budget's advertised, and that becomes your final budget. In our instance, the preliminary budget that was presented and approved by the board last month went under review immediately after by the executive county superintendent and was signed off on by the executive county superintendent earlier this month and became our advertised budget unchanged. So I will move a little bit faster. There will be a question and answer period after Mr. Toth comes up and runs through the numbers. We also, you'll notice, there are blue hyperlinks throughout the presentation. So what will happen is Ms. Clark will upload this presentation to the school website. If you have questions about particular programs that are being recommended and supported by this particular budget, typically there's a hyperlink that will lead you to additional information so you can see exactly what that program is that we're referencing. So without further delay, if we can go to the next slide.